Hello children, welcome to the online classes of English language class 9. This is the second video of the topic preposition. In today's video, we will deal with the topic of preposition of place. In the last video, I have told you about the preposition of time, and today we will deal with the preposition of place. The first preposition of place we are going to talk about is the usage of in and at. In is used to indicate enclosed, that is within an area. For example, in a bag, in the room in Kolkata. At. At suggests not enclosed. At the crossroad, at the end of the road, at the station. We often use at when we want to suggest that some activity is taking place. So when we want to indicate that some activity is taking place, we will also use at in this. For example, he is working at his desk. Now we come to the usage of in. Again, in is also used with names of countries and large towns. At is used when speaking of small towns and villages. For example, they live in Japan. Japan is a country, so we have used in Japan. We live in Delhi. Delhi again is one big city, so we use in. I live at Shirva in Karnataka. So at Shirva in Karnataka, at is maybe a small town or maybe a village that is in Karnataka. In and at are used in speaking of things at rest. So in is also used, children, for the when we speak about the things at rest. And into are used in speaking of things in motion, as Anil is at the top of the class. Anu is in bed. So these things are indicating that the motion is at rest. He ran to the hospital. He jumped into the lake. Come to the usage of on and upon. On is used for referring to things at rest and upon for things in motion, as we sat on a bed. So again we see that on is used when we talk about things at rest and upon is used for things in motion. Example, we sat on a bed, the cat sprang upon the table. Now we come to the usage of beside and besides. Besides means by the side of, while besides means in addition to. We sat beside the fireplace, that is, we sat next to the fireplace. Besides means giving him book, I wrote notes for him. Besides means in addition to. Between and among. Between is used while referring to two persons or things. Among refers to more than two persons or things, as the property was divided between the two brothers. So when we talk about two persons, we use between. When we talk for more than two, among is used. The thieves quarreled among themselves. Now usage of in and into. In implies a state of rest or position inside something. Into denotes motion towards the inside of something, as Sonal lives in a rented flat. He jumped into the swimming pool. So this was our second video, children, and the exercises that I have given, listen to this video and kindly do the exercise. As always I tell you, if any queries are there, you are always welcome to ask me. So with this I end this second video of preposition.